Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Arlyne. Today's video is all holiday decor related. You guys know I'm obsessed with like home decor and all that, so I'm going to show you guys how to make your own tablescape. This video is sponsored by Cost Plus World Market, which is actually like my hidden gem. I have one really close to me that I've been shopping at for ages, and honestly, like, they have the cutest, most unique stuff that you will not find at a bunch of other stores. So I'm gonna show you guys all the things that I buy there. I'm gonna take you guys shopping with me. And also, I collaborated with them because I wanted to share with you guys their Star Maker contest, which you guys will see when I went shopping the other day. I actually entered myself into the contest even though I don't have the best vocals or anything, but basically you just have to sing Santa Claus is Coming to Town. You can sing it in store if you guys go into one of your world markets that's participating in the contest. You can enter there, or you can enter yourself from home, like submit your video. I will have everything linked down below, so if it gets a little confusing, but you guys can see when I enter it the way it's easily done. But if you guys are talented, I know some of you guys are so talented because some of you guys have sent me videos of you guys singing in the past, and I'm always like, I wish I had like those vocal cords. Like, I wish I had that talent. So if you guys are talented like that, and if you guys want to enter, or if you just want to enter for fun, Jessie J is actually going to be the one who makes that final decision. So especially if you're a Jessie J fan, go enter, link will be down below. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I get my tablescape, go shopping, all that fun stuff. Let's get into the video. Let's go see what they have inside. Ooh, you guys, I found the Star Maker contest. Follow. How cool is this? There's an entire little like kiosk set up so that you guys can all enter. So look at this. Grand prize, a professional recording session with the top music producer, a $1,000 World Market gift card, and the winning performance is chosen by Jessie J. So okay, you guys, so here are the rules. It says that only one person may appear and perform in a video, so you can't do like a duet or anything. You may only appear in one video for this contest, and it's open to US and DC residents 13 years and over. And I'll also have everything linked down below so you guys can check it all out, all the official rules and everything. But this is what the little kiosk looks like, and you don't have to do it here. You guys can do it at home also. There's so many different options, so make sure you guys check out the description box. You guys, to make things even more fun, I'm going to enter the contest to show you guys exactly how to do it. So can you enter your email? By the way guys, I do not think that I have a great voice or anything. This is literally just for fun. Okay, so the song is Santa Claus is Coming to Town. It says press here to start your video. You ready? I'm scared. Oh, here it is. Telling you why Santa Claus is coming to town. He knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad. Better not how I'm telling you why. To town. You guys, let me show you. How I'm telling you why. Alright, let's accept it. Let's finish. I think I am the next Star Maker Song Contest winner. JK, one of you guys is gonna win. I know, one of you guys, one of my followers is gonna win. Plus, we can take a holiday photo and share it with our friends. Let's take a picture, Weston.
Get love.
Cute! We got our picture too. Let's go shopping!
This is cool. Shop till we drop. Hey, shop till we drop.
Christmas tree candles, these are so cute. You guys, I'm trying to decide on like which candle ring holders to get. These ones are so cute. You just put like a candle in the middle. There's also these gold ones though.
I say gold because it goes with our
I know,
tree.
these ones look a little more glam, and they are gonna look really pretty with that too. Look how cute these are too.
What are those ones?
They're bigger Christmas trees.
Are they just decor? Or are they
They
candles?
are candles. They're
Oh, they're candles? Whoa.
That is adorable. Oh my gosh.
That's cool.
These are the cutest little thing I've ever seen.
Santa woodpeckers.
That's not a woodpecker, it's a little bird. It's so cute.
Their woodpeckers are red though.
Look. This looks really pretty too. Something like this, and put that in the middle. And then I can put some around on the sides. Okay, this is perfect. Because I can do these and then put candles like around the whole centerpiece area. I think I need 2 decor.
And that goes with already the decor at home.
Goes with everything we have.
Yeah. And I like my earrings.
That's not even, yeah? No. Okay, put them in the cart. Those are for sure.
Okay.
For surezies. For surezies. So I found these napkins. so you guys know, napkins are so essential for like a cute tablescape. There's these ones that just kind of like gold flowers.
No, I know.
There's these that say cheer and peace. These are like super simple. We want simple, a little more something. Do on each one.
We have to tie them up.
Sometimes I don't have the inspo, but the store will give it to me.
The store will
This
provide.
is why I told you it's a hidden gem, because they have cute things.
The store will provide.
How adorable is this? This is
That's
better
cool.
than what I had in mind.
So
where do I find these? Oh, they're right here.
and just ask and you shall receive. It's a
So
Christmas
look,
miracle. We're filling up. We're filling up. The inspo's hitting her. Okay.
Oh look, there's like the more classic colors. Red.
Yeah.
Okay, we need it. We're trying to decide on like which chargers, which, like what, everything. And the cool thing is, you know, we got a table here to try it out on, huh?
Yeah. That's a hack right there. You
Yeah,
find
these are all the
table.
things we have so far. That's a hack. You find a table
Find
in
the table
store.
that kind of looks like yours and then set it up.
Okay.
Okay, so if you guys have made it this far, I think you're in for the long haul. And I'm gonna show you guys, holy cow, this is really heavy. I need to be careful, this is gonna rip. I'm gonna show you guys everything that I got from Costco's World Market. I got a ton of stuff. Everything is for my table. You guys, I discovered tablescapes. Like, I've seen them on Pinterest for a while, but I did my own like 2 years ago. Fell in love, like literally, like it is just the most focal point in your entire home. If you guys have like a dining area that's really simple, doing something like this is gonna make it look so beautiful. It's seriously my favorite thing to decorate in the entire home. So that's why I always love doing a different one for like every season, usually around the holiday time. But yeah, I did one for the fall season and I loved it. And then this one is obviously for Christmas. So I got these are two garlands that look exactly the same, just because, okay, they're a little stuck, but I wanted them to go across the entire table down the middle, kind of like a table runner, but I did also get a gold table runner, whoa, to go under it. So that's gonna sit right on top of the gold table runner. And then, oh, you guys saw, like, I couldn't make up my mind. There were so many different cute things that, like, I didn't really have like an exact vision in my head, but I was like, you know what? I just need to try something fun and new and just go for it. So this is what I'm going for. I'm thinking that it should turn out really cute, especially because I did kind of set it up in store the way I thought that it would look in my own home. So these are the chargers that I went with. These are jute chargers, I believe is what they're called. So they look like this. This is very different from what I'm used to. If you guys have seen in the past, usually I do just the basic kind of like a gold or silver, whatever color placemat, but this one is so different. It's so pretty. It's so cool. Like, I wanted to try something different, so I got 4 of those. For napkins, I went with these ones with a little bit of like a gold floral pattern. I feel like these are really universal. Also, like, you can use them even after like the holiday season. You can keep them year round, which is what I absolutely love about them also. And then I also picked up, oh my gosh, I picked up a few of these tree candles. I'm not sure if they smell like anything, but I just thought they were so cute. They actually have a little wick on top so I could burn them. So I'm probably suddenly looking a little different. That's because my memory card filled up and my camera decided not to tell me. So when I went to edit, half of my footage was missing, so I am refilming right now. I realized that the haul was cut off midway. So I was talking about these candles, which are just these beautiful little trees. I actually did already light it because I filmed everything downstairs, showing you guys how I set it up and everything, with all that footage missing. So yeah, I think they're so cute. And then, okay, so I have my whole little setup right here also, but I showed you guys these napkins, and then also with the napkins, this is kind of how I set them up downstairs. On top of the plate, I have these little napkin ring holders. So it looks like this. It is the cutest thing. It just kind of like, you really just grab your napkin and then you pull it through. And it looks so festive and so cute. It's literally my favorite thing. Like, when I saw them, I was literally like, yes, boom, no doubt in my mind that these are gonna be perfect. They are amazing. They're the cutest thing and they're super affordable too. So definitely a napkin ring holder like this is so essential for your whole little tablescape and table setup. And then also, let me show you guys one of these statement pieces. These plates right here are so freaking adorable. So they are this true red color, which is just so beautiful. I wanted something a little festive, something that stands out a little bit more than like a plain white plate, just because in the past I've always used white plates. So went with something different. So happy I did, because I put it down there and it is freaking beautiful and amazing. It just stands out so much. Then lastly, to go with the plates, I
I got some silverware. I've been wanting gold silverware for a long time, and I finally found the perfect set. So I got 4 sets of these guys right here. So these gold knives, a gold spoon, and a gold fork. They are a true gold also. Like when you see them in person, like it is a bright true gold, which is exactly what I wanted. I didn't want like a faded gold. Like they look so nice and beautiful and like just such good quality pieces. So I'm so happy that I found them. I feel like they're such a statement piece also. So like the gold, and especially for the holiday season, like they go so well with like Christmas, but you could even use them like after the Christmas season. Like they're obviously universal and you can use them year round. So this together is so cute. Like you guys saw all the clips inserted. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this haul and everything that I got from World Market. Like I said, links to everything will be down below as always. Check it all out. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. Subscribe if you're not subscribed. Turn on your post notifications. That's it. I love you guys and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.